Clark's Cavan are delighted to be here at the Spring Farm Machinery Show in Cavan today. Myself and Gavin are on hand for any questions you may have during the day.
So starting off here with the M-Tec cattle trailer. They also did a great range of quad trailers, single axle trailers, which then in the background we have more pictures of all the full range that M-Tec do. Then we have on show here we have a Kubota RTV with a Snowexx salt spreader on the back of it. And then we have a couple of lovely Honda quads. We have a Honda 420 and a 520 with a couple of different implements, a fertilizer spreader, a Logic weed wiper as well. And then on into the rest of the Honda range, we have two lovely Honda mowers, a 2625 and your Honda 2417.
Here we have some of our diesel domestic ride-on lawnmowers, so your GR1600 and your GR2120. One of our commercial high dump G231. Some of our compact tractor range, a B2261 and a loader, and the L2522 on turf wheels with a cab. We have a selection of our range in the Kubota Agri tractor range. Firstly with this M5092, which is a 95 horsepower machine. Our recently sold M6122 with a front loader. The next one up here is a M6101, which is about 105 horsepower in the utility range. And finally, our showpiece machine, our M7153, 150 horsepower that boosts to 170. This is a full spec tractor. Next up we have our Slanetrac HT1000 petrol mini dumper on tracks. And finally we have our Husqvarna Automower range and a selection of some of the models that's available in the range.